Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com here for ntmarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, forgive my voice a little bit. I got a little bit of a cold. Um, this is a 30-minute chart, and um, this is a chart that I sent out yesterday over Twitter and posted up on the website. So when I say follow me on Twitter and post on the website, throughout the day you're going to be getting charts, and from time to time they can be fairly helpful. Yesterday, what we pointed out and what we were looking for in the chat room was how this area at 1801 had been resistance overnight. And let me back this out a little bit. We have been looking at 1708 to 1801 for a long time as a key zone, first as support and now as resistance. So when 1801 held up overnight, we broke down, we broke through that zone, we tested the 93.25 area, which will become important here in a minute. Then we came up to test 98. This is about where I put the chart out and said, look, um, we're testing the zone. It's a resistance zone now. It needed a retest, and if it gets confirmed, then it's opened up to test middle band. And we did 98 to 86, 86.25, and it was a great trade in the chat room. Hopefully, it was a nice trade for everybody over on Twitter. Um, you know, we you know we don't put a ton of trades out, um, generally outside of the chat room. So I hope everybody got kind of a taste there for kind of what we do and how we do our day. So where do we go now? Okay, so we've bounced off middle band and we've done as much as 10 handles off of middle band. Um, Additionally, we are having trouble tonight and into the morning getting through this area, this 90.25 fib area. Here is the middle band. It's a bounce. So 3-day pullback, middle band bounce. We've done 3-day pullbacks before. We've done middle band bounces before. So um, let me emphasize that today is a very important day for the Bears. The Bears have got to get back to the middle band. They need to break through the middle band at 86, and they need to close below the middle band today. Why? Well, if you make middle band support for 2 days, with Thursday tomorrow being the day before the non-farm payrolls, and the typical price action for non-farm payrolls is to walk it up into non-farm, I think that if the middle band is a floor, then Thursday you'll see a walk up into Friday morning's jobs. So if the Bears want to get anything done, they got to get below the middle band and stay there. Then, maybe tomorrow can be more of a down day into jobs. But the one thing I do know is if you make the middle band support for 2 days in a row, the dip buyers are going to take very serious advantage of that. Just like they did yesterday for 10 handles worth off of 86, they will come in and do it again. And one of these times they're not going to let go, which is what happened here when we pull back to the middle band. And it's what happened here. Whoop, I didn't need to go out, I need to go in. It's what happened here when we had a 3-day pullback and couldn't challenge middle band. So the Bears had a good day yesterday. By no stretch of the imagination are they either in a position of advantage or control until middle band is taken out. The one thing that they do have going for them is the resistance zone. Price can move as high as 1798, even as high as 1801. You don't really want to do that. You really want it to die at 98 if you're a bear, and still come back and do what it needs to do on the downside. And that would really solidify 1798 to 1801 as multiple times confirmed resistance and give the Bears at least some footing to push lower. But for now, we've tried 96. It didn't go through. the Bears really need to make a little bit of a push here and eventually crack through yesterday's low and see what they can do. The key is, the thing the Bears have not been able to do consistently is when they make that low and the Bulls rally it to make that next low for that next leg down. Because you can't have a pullback until you break through middle band. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princetontrader. Subscribe to the website. Sign up for a free trial. Come trade this stuff with us. We're going to have an interesting oil chart and a gold chart are out later today, and we'll be posting our ES snapshot charts throughout the day. But if if you're tired of trading this stuff by yourself, or you want to see if there's something out there, some more tools to help your trading, come take a 2-week trial and see if we can help you out. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.